Welcome back, students. This time I'm going to teach you how to set up the render process in order to have the best video or animation. The first thing you have to do is to go to rendering and open the render setup or hit the key F10 on your keyboard. Remember that this time we are going to make several renders, okay, according to the frames that we have. Okay, so this time we have to change the time output from single to active time. In this case, you can see here that I have, or I'm going to start rendering from frame number 0 to frame 446. In your case, you are going to have from 0 to 150 maximum. Everything depends on the length of your animation. So I recommend you to start in 100 and see if with 100 frames you can complete the whole walkthrough. But if you think that you need more frames, start adding just little by little, okay, step by step, maybe 120, then 140, then 160, and so on and so on. So after putting the active time segment, we're gonna choose the output size. It's gonna be an HD TV video, but we're gonna change the size 1280 by 720. Don't forget to put the force two-sided to see all the textures, and assign renderer that is gonna be the mental ray. I already picked it. Okay. You can close the render setup, and then I want you to hit the number 8 to open the environment and effects. We already saw this part in our first video tutorial, but just as a reminder, remember that if you're gonna use a photo in the background and you put the photo on a plane, you also have to load it here in the environment and effects if you want to see it in the render. Environment map, click there, double click on bitmap, and go to where you have the picture and add the picture. Okay, if you're not gonna use a picture, just click on color, and I recommend you to use a light blue to try to simulate the sky. You can close after this the environment and effects window. Before you start rendering, I want you to double check the speed. Okay, just turn the camera on and hit play animation to see, okay, for the last time how your animation would look like. And if you have to correct something, please come here to the time configuration button, open it, and remember that this is the slowest speed, 1 over 4x, and you can rescale the time by adding or subtracting more frames or fewer frames here in the end time, and hit OK. I think we're ready. The only thing you have to do after that is click on render production, okay, to start rendering, and wait for some time. Thank you so much.